Today we are discussing about second PUC chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, the flowering plants are also known as angiosperm. Flowering plants na angiosperm anta kuda ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. To understand these chapters, we dividing it into two parts. The first one is pre-fertilization event and post-fertilization event. We already know about fertilization. Fertilization is the fusion of male and female gamete. Okay, in this part we are studying the structure of androecium and gynoecium, which is male and female part. Okay, next about their gametes. In the post fertilization event, we are studying what happens after fertilization. Flower nalli fertilization ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು post fertilization events ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Now come to flower. What is a flower actually? Flower is a modified shoot and it is a site for sexual reproduction. Okay, remember this, it is a modified shoot and it is a site for sexual reproduction. How the flower is forming actually? How the plant decides to have a flower? To have a flower, first there are several hormonal and structural changes takes place in the plant, which leads into differentiation and development of floral primordium. Floral primordium development ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which leads into the formation of flower. ನಂತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಮೋಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And we already know that androecium is a male reproductive part of the flower and the members of androeciums are stamens. Next, the gynoecium is a female reproductive part of the flower. The members of gynoeciums are called carpels or pistils. Okay, androecium ಗಂಡು ಭಾಗ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, gynoecium ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಭಾಗ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, let's study about stamen. We already know that stamens are members of androeciums. Okay, ಇವು androeciumನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. This is the diagram of a typical stamen. You can see here. The stamen mainly consists of two parts, the anther and the filament. A filament is a long slender stalk-like structures, and towards the terminal end of the filament anther is present, and towards the proximal end it attached to thalamus or the petals of the flower. Okay, this is the filament. This is the terminal end where a bilobed anther is present, and towards the proximal end it attaches to thalamus or petals of the flower. Okay, next come to anther. Anther is a bilobed and diathecous structure. Here we can see the section of anther which are showing two lobes. Okay, in each lobe there is a presence of two thecas. ಒಂದು ಲೋಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಥೆಕಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ we are calling bilobed diathecous. Okay, means totally we have 4 thecas. ಒಂದು ಲೋಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಥೆಕಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ. Okay, these are called microsporangia. We have totally 4 microsporangia. ಎಷ್ಟು microsporangia ಇರ್ತವೆ, 4 microsporangia ಇರ್ತವೆ, which are developed further and become pollen sac. ಅವು pollen sac ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. And there is a presence of a longitudinal groove which separates the two theca. A longitudinal groove ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಥೆಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. In the next video we are seeing different tissues present in the anther.